god! That's too loud. Hello guys, what's up? Hi, it's me again. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a demonstration and also a review kind of video. I'm going to review some products from the Face Shop. I'm very familiar with this brand. It's from Korea, if you don't already know. I've also collaborated with them in previous videos. This is their new products. I have two products here with me. One is a cushion foundation. This is the Natural Story Miracle Finish Anti-Darkening Cushion from the Face Shop. Before I start telling you guys about my experience of using this, I'll let you know some information that I can find from the website itself. It comes in 3 shades. I'm using the one in the code N203 Natural Beige. It reduces appearance of wrinkles, brightens skin tone, filters and screens harmful UVA and UVB, and then it keeps makeup looking fresh as when you first apply it. The HD powder uses technology that helps spread pigment evenly to prevent color from becoming dark or dull. And then the lemon balm and chamomile extracts to provide comfortable wear. And then the persimmon leaf and citrus unshiu peel. I hope I pronounced that right. Extract to maintain your skin tone without making it dark or dull. So basically this is a cushion that doesn't oxidize too much and make your skin or your complexion look dull at the end of the day. Okay, so honestly I've been wearing this for a couple of weeks now and I love this. I love this. I'm not even like just saying this. I really do love this. This is one of my favorite cushions. At the moment, I bring it to travel and I use it like on the go because I love to use cushion on the go. I think it's really fast and quick and easy to use. It has a pretty matte finish, but not too matte. Like, you know, semi-matte finish, as you can see me applying right here. At first when you apply it, like you see me applying, you might think that it's a little bit too light, but it really settles in the skin really nicely. Once it settles into my skin, it kind of like matches my skin a little bit better. It doesn't oxidize and I love the finish. It's like, it's matte, but it's not too matte. You know what I mean? The coverage is medium to full coverage. With one push of the sponge, I can already cover my whole face, my entire face. And with just one layer, I can already barely see the veins on my face. And that's really absolutely great. I have worn this for a couple of hours also already. I went out with it. And it just works really well, and I love that it works well with my makeup as well. I really like this cushion. If you ask me what cushion would I recommend, this is definitely one of them. I love this. The other product that is new in the Face Shop is this flat lipsticks. So we have two kinds of flat lipsticks. One is the glossy kind and the other is the velvet kind. I'm reading what they are saying about these lipsticks on their website, but most of it is very technical. But basically what it's supposed to do is that it is supposed to be good for your skin because it has healthy ingredients like argan oil and rosehip oil, calendula oil and things like that. So like it's really good stuff for your lips, and at the same time the color payoff is supposed to be good. Unlike the cushion, I have not tried this one yet. So I am gonna try these lipsticks for you guys. I'm not particularly very fussy when it comes to lipsticks. As long as it's a good color and it feels comfortable on my lips, I will wear it. So just to give you a better look at the lipstick, it looks like this, very practical, looks just like a pen. You can twist at the bottom to raise the lipstick itself. It has a flat surface so that you can easily draw out your lip. Alright, so I'm gonna swatch every single one of these. I have here 6 glossy lipsticks and 6 velvet lipsticks. I'm gonna swatch all of them for you guys so that you guys can have a better look at each and every color. So let's get swatching. That's it. I have finished swatching all 12 colors of their flat lipstick, 6 of the glossy one and 6 of the velvet ones. You can see yourself how I applied it on my lips just now. This is a first impression for me, and my first impression is really good. You can see when I put it on, the pigmentation is out of this world and it glides so easily on my lips. I absolutely love it. And then it also feels very comfortable on my lips. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy. I love it. I personally prefer the velvet one over the glossy one because I am just generally a matte lipstick kind of girl. I'm still really blown away by the pigmentation of this thing. You know, this is definitely Aisha approved. I would recommend this to everyone, especially the matte one. Some of the glossy ones, especially the lighter colors, are not as pigmented as the darker ones, but the velvet one, every single one of them, the color is so vivid and it just looks really good. I don't want to prolong this video any longer, so I think I'm gonna stop over here. If you want more info on this product, where to purchase it and all things like that, all details on this product right here and also the cushion will be linked down in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this whole video. If you have watched this from the beginning until now, you are the real MVP, and I love you guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.